Okay, so time value of money. Which would you rather have, $100 today or $100 a year from now? And why? Thus, all other things being equal, the earlier you get the money, the better. The later you pay the money, the better. Which would you rather have, $95 today or $100 a year from now? Well, look at this, okay? This is what you're looking at here. Assuming an interest rate of 5%, how much is $100 worth today? Present value. Right? Assuming an interest rate of 5%, how much is $100 tomorrow worth today? So, how do you calculate that? This is how you calculate it. Thus, comparing $95 today versus $100 tomorrow is the same as comparing $95 today or $95.24 today. Alright? You got to bring them back into the same time. You can't compare tomorrow and today at the same time. You can't. Assuming an interest rate of 5%, how much is $95 today worth tomorrow? Future value. Well, this is how you do it. Alright, thus comparing $95 today versus $100 tomorrow is the same as comparing 99.75 tomorrow or $100. So again, which would you rather have? Alright, time value of money is this. The fact that $1 received or paid today is worth more than $1 received or paid a year from now. The reason why is this because any money you have today can be invested to earn a return. And there is also inflation. While stable in Canada over the past decade, inflation will erode the value of the dollar. If you lend your money to someone for a year, you will have to defer your consumption decisions for a year. If you defer your consumption, you must be compensated for the inconvenience. For all these things contributed towards a dollar being worth more than 1 year from now. Time value of money is a very important concept in finance. Finance involves promises made by one party to another. These promises involve money. Like for instance, you will lend me X amount of dollar for a year, then I promise to repay that X amount of dollar with interest on a specified date. These promises are often more complicated. In order to evaluate a given deal or promise, you should and you must have to be able to compare cash flows that occurs at different point of time. These cash flow cannot be evaluated through simple addition subtraction because they're not worth the same at different point of time. Alright? The main purpose of compounding future value and discounting present value is to make money comparable across time periods by establishing a scale that translates future dollars into economically equivalent dollar today, or equivalent current dollars. You cannot compare dollars at different point in time. You cannot add dollars from different point in time. Thus, let's say $5,000 a year for 5 years is not equivalent to $25,000. To compare, add dollars at different point of time, you need to bring those dollars to a common point of time, either today, present value, or tomorrow, future value. So I hope this helps you understand more about time value of money, present value, future value. Alright? I'll tell you more about that next time and how to actually calculate some of these stuff. So until next time, have a good day, and thank you for watching. Stay classy, planet Earth.